sithi abangenama document abahambe sifuna amaphoyisa angene door to door kubhekwa abantu ukuthi banawo ama document yini enzima lapho.
We all know who they are. I certainly wouldn't come into your home and then proceed to superimpose myself, my culture, my values, not only on you, but also your space. And then when you tell me that that's not okay, I then tell you that you can't tell me. I think we both would agree that if I did do that, you would say, why don't you get out of my house?
Julius Malem, wena ufuna ukuthandwa iAfrika yonke yonkana. Wile nhlobo ethi mayifuna imali igcina inikela ngabantu baku. Wile nhlobo enjalo bafu. Ukuthi wena unganikela ngomuntu wakini ngoba ufuna lokho onephupho lokuthi uyakufuna empilweni.
Ngwina mithi sihamba sibuyela emakhaya kithi anivuyeli mina lapho nihamba la Golden Share KFC nihamba la Golden Share McDonald's nihamba la Golden Share Chicken Licken
ukungena emzini umuntu ungenayo imvume wisigebengu baba uya trespass mos
ibo ethokoza ibo thokoza bohamba ngamabhokisi bebheke emakubo meke kwanyakaza thina ngoba siyibutho thina abagoduke bayemazweni abo where they belong ukulala kwabo eSRSWAT kuba size ngalutho asibafuni abahambe ha he hi ho hu abahambe we don't need them ukulala kwabo eSRSWAT bacabanga ukuthi bazomaintainwa ngemali yeTax no.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. I have this long video that I've prepared for you so that you can see what is happening currently here in South Africa. But before we talk about the whole video, I want you to like the video and subscribe and watch.
South Africa's immigration system has been completely turned into a marketplace. Permits and visas are sold to the highest bidder. Fraudulent documentation, falsified financials, and marriages of convenience.
For the majority of black South Africans experiencing South Africa today, in particular those who don't necessarily have the means to fight their battles, the best way to be heard is to take to the streets so that the government can listen. I want to be clear on this. South Africans are not xenophobic. Everywhere in the world I go, I know that migration is an issue for years. It's not a uniquely South African 2026 contemporary problem. Anytime there is a legitimate groundswell movement on something, criminals are going to exploit it. Of course they're going to. It isn't a xenophobic statement to make that there has been a shift in community culture in South Africa. In Benoni, when I go visit my family, town overrun, completely overrun. The city centers have been destroyed. It looks terrible. To within 100%, a stitch away from 100% probability, I am willing to say that if I went into any of those communities and looked at the nationalities from which they come, I would find a particular population group and a particular nationality. I don't need to mention which one. They know who they are, you know who they are, we all know who they are. I certainly wouldn't come into your home and then proceed to superimpose myself, my culture, my values, not only on you, but also your space. And then when you tell me that that's not okay, I then tell you that you can't tell me. I think we both would agree that if I did do that, you would say, why don't you get out of my house? The only thing worse than a person who breaks the rules of decency is the person who observes the person breaking the rules of decency break those rules, knows that it is wrong, but keeps quiet. To our brothers and sisters from other parts of the world and even other parts of the continent that says, of the fact that you're here and you live here and we welcome you here does not mean that you have the right to disregard common decencies of the people in his country you are. You're a guest.
Thank you, Bhuti Uvusi. I like this video. The reason why I've downloaded this video and decided to put it in this long video format that I've created for you is because I think Uvusi has described all our problems in a very professional way. We've been trying to say this thing, but somehow asikhono kuluma and structure our words properly when it comes to this problem that the country is facing. So I listened to this clip yesterday and then I listened to the whole video. It's longer than this version. Please go to Vusi Thembakwa's channel. That's where you'll find the whole video there. So I've listened to this part of the video. I liked it. I was like, this guy has just said what a lot of South Africa has been saying, but because of there is this thing in South Africa of undermining people according to the way they speak. If you are speaking Obalamagama, or if you are speaking broken English, or if you don't even know how to speak English, you are regarded as stupid. That is why people like Abo Julius Malema, in the video that I've posted, he was like, the people that are marching are fools, you know, because according to him, people that are on the streets marching for their country and fighting for their country are fools, you know. And also I've posted a video Yaga Ndlozi before this one. He was also saying a lot of things the way Abona Akona Yena. But listening to Uvusi, I was like, this guy is saying exactly what the voters are complaining about. He says saying exactly what South Africans are complaining about. Mara, we bega version yake as someone who's highly educated, you know. So I love the fact that we have people like him in the country that are willing to stand up and fight.
Izizwe zonke noma amazwe onke aqhamuka eAfrika angaze mina ngiyibona into enje ukuthi izwe elilodwa seline overload izwe lethu. Izwe elilodwa lithatha wonke amazwe omhlaba lizowagubezela bengaphansi kwalo aphile kilo kube kukhona amamiliyoni abantu abangaphansi kwalelozwe nalo libe linenkinga zalo zokuthi amathuba omsebenzi awekho, abantu abanayo imihlaba yokuthi nabo bakwazi ukuyithuthukisa. So nawibuka-ke lento ngoba umthetho we-asylum seeker uthi ukuthi babaleke emazweni abo bakuliwa. Labantu beqe amazwe amangaki bezofika kwelethizwe ngoba uthi umthetho we-asylum seeker nawusuka awindlela Mozambique okuyamazwe engihamba kiwe ngiye kuwona. Nawusuka eMozambique usho kufanele ubaleke uzobhaca eZimbabwe okuyi-nearest country. Not ukuthi usuke ujamba amazwe over 13 or 15 when uyobhaca ezweni niyobhaca ezweni elilodwa nibe baningi amazwe ahlukahlukene. Umthetho wala futhi eSouth Africa uweak ngoba ithi lento kumele kube necamp labantu okuzokunanga bebebhacile babekelwa amatende bahlale khona kuze kudlule isimo esibabalekisile emazweni abo bese bebuyela futhi emazweni abo. Njengoba ngithi-ke kulamazwe ngihlala ngihamba kiwo oZimbabwe nakoMozambique, indlela esikunyezwa ngayo thina bala eSouth Africa ngeke usho ukuthi thina sibaphethe kahle kanjani laba bantu, sihlezi nabo banjengabafowethu nodadewethu. Kodwa namhlanje futhi sebeze baba abakhwenya noma uHosibala abangalobolile abangawalandeli bona amasiko ethu. Kodwa nawufika wena le ungena nje Bridge ushaya ipassport yakho ugxivize ipassport yakho bakuza ukuthi ubuya nini. Vele umthetho wabo-ke ustrict and uclear uthi nawungena eZimbabwe noma ungena eMozambique noma ungena eMalawi noma uya eZambia noma eTanzania uno-31 days ungaphakathi bese uyaphuma. Lokho kungenzeki-ke la kuleli lethizwe. Kuleli lethizwe umuntu wangaphandle ungena ngepassport imnikeza u6 months ukuthi uzoba la eSouth Africa for 6 months. Bese uzibuza ukuthi kulo 6 months uzobe ephila ngani ngoba uhulumeni wethu nathi uyantengantenga kwezomnotho. Kwathina khona ukuthola konke ama-benefits eSouth Africa kufanele ngase wathola ngenxa yalabantu bangaphandle. Sebengenileke bafike bathatha ama-tuck shop netolo zabantu bakithi ade bephila ngazo itolo endala besizazi ukuthi la isitolo sakwabani la isitolo sakwabani bagcina manje za-onwa yibo. Mina-ke ilento-ke iya ekutheni kuzothi kusuka manje njengoba nginenzele umzekelo ngesizwe samandili labantu uhulumeni egcine sebanikeza i-permanent resident okuwukuthi sebezokwazi manje ukuthi bebe abantu bala eSouth Africa ngokusemthethweni. Sivele sine-overload ezisengichazile kuzomeka kanjani sizophila kanjani manje sesinabantu abakungabona bezwe lethu naba namasiko abo nengolelo zabo siyaqonda ukuthi umthetho sisekelo kuyasho ukuthi wonke umuntu unelungelo lokukhuluma ulimi lwakhe okuyilona lokungelwebele kuphinde futhi anikeze wonke amalungelo alapha eSouth Africa naye njengomuntu osuka ezweni lakuthi exercise amasiko akhe njengoba abanye bananamasonto khona la banendaba abakhonza kizo ngakho ukuthi sasikhombisa thina njengeSouth Africa ukuthi asibaxwasile asinankinga nabo.
Thank you baba, siyabonga. Beyibeka ubaba nje la ibeka ngayo. I think nayo ichaza nje simple. Kodwa ke we know ukuthi the big problem is up there ku government wethu. Yiyo I problem la khona because what I have noticed also the leaders from the KZN, like they are standing on their foot. They are really saying one word. Even the ones that are from different political parties, because this thing is not, by the way, it has nothing to do with political parties. We know also some of the ones that are supporting the marchers will benefit from this, but it's not about political parties. But what I've seen recently, I was watching the news today in the morning. I saw the guy from KZN, from Action SA. He really expressed his views straight and direct. Like they are not pushing around the corner. These ones, they are straightforward with this is what we want. This is what should happen. Unlike here where we are in Joburg, in South Africa, and other provinces, by the way, because these people are all over social media insulting the ones that are on the street, fighting for all of us, because they are fighting for all of us. When this thing becomes successful, everyone is going to benefit. You might not see it now, but you will see somehow what things are a little bit getting better.
Umbuzo wami uthi kuzoze kumashwe kangaka yini enzima ukuthi uhulumeni akhiphe izwi elithi abantu abangenawo ama documents ukuba seningizimu Afrika abahambi. Yini enzima ukuthi upresident bezongena kwipodium aqinisekise lokhu ukuthi uma ungenawo ama document aseningizimu Afrika hamba kusatshwana ukushiwo leyo nto le, ngoba vele umuntu ongena ekwi country without documentation yokungena lo country, lo muntu usuke enza ubugebengu. Yini enzima ukuthi umuntu bese egqekezile wangena ngaphakathi usuyasibamba isigebengu bese uyasibopha bese usifaka ejele, from ejele siphume sihambe siye ku. Yini enzima? Mina understand mina ukuthi yini enzima engazi impela nje into kuze kusuka umsindo kuze kuphithizele iCountry kuze kubukeke sengazi ukuthi la kwiCountry akulawuleki. Yini enzima nje uhulumeni upresident ukuthi ayi-address lento, ukuthi bonke abantu abakulelizwe abangene ngokungemthetho igebengu lezo, bonke abantu abakulelizwe abangene ngendlela abangahlushwa labo ngoba banama document. Abantu bethu abakwamanye ama-country abanama document, ama-countries abangabahlukumezi, kuzoze kusuka amanye ama-country acabanga ukuthi kuhlukunyezwa abantu bawo kwenyizwe, kanti akuhlukunyezwa umuntu, kukhulunywa nje ngamaphepha okwazi ukungena ezweni. Yini enzima? Oh ngeke madoda, ngeke madoda. Ngoba manje akufanele phela kube ngathi siyidididi sonke emhlabeni. Ngeke nje wena uvela usuke manje uyogulukudeka uyongena eUSA uzoboshwa. Oh ngeke uhulumeni usiqala ukusolisa manje na awukwazi uhulumeni ukuvele nje yonto into ekumele ibe seqhulwini, hayi lokuthiwani kume ukuthi sithi abangenama document abahambe, sifuna amaphoyisa angene door to door kubhekwa abantu ukuthi banawo ama document. Yini enzima lapho? Ikithathwe nje lento njengento ephuthumayo ukuthi abantu abangenama document abahambe. Isonto nesonto kubalwe abantu sebehambile abangenawo amaphepha njengoba kakade kubalwa abantu ababehaqwe iCoronavirus. Sinikezwe ama-stance ukuthi kuleli sonto sekuhamba abangaki elendlela kuhamba abangaki umnalokho kulokumbamba hayi ngeke madoda ngeke madoda hayi ngeke madoda hayi ngeke madoda ngeke lento nje bafethu mawuthi uyayibona ukuthi upresident uthuleleni. Why umuntu ezoncengwa ancengela ukuthi khona igebengu eyingenile? Hayi ngeke madoda. Mhlawumbe abanye abantu abayi-understand lento uthini. Ukungena emzini nomuntu ungenayo imvume wisigebengu baba. Uyatrespass mos. Oh ngeke baba ngeke. Hayi ngeke baba. Hayi lento manje ifuna ukushintshwa. Kube sengazi ukuthi kuliwa nama-foreign. No mos. Kuliwa negebengu. Negebengu. And igebengu eziningi ilezi zebala lethu ezingena ngomkoshosho. Hayi ukuthi azikho ezinye zezinye inhlanga. Uzwe kahle. Zikhona nezinye inhlanga. Kodwa noma yinini lento isikhathi esiningi isebenza ngobuningi. Ukuthi ama-statistics aveza ukuthi ubugebengu obuningi benziwa yilabantu abayebala lethu abangena kwi-country bengenawo amaphepha abanye babo. Hayi ukuthi amandiya wabenzi amakhalati abalokhu ababelungu abawenzi azikwenzi ziyakwenza kodwa ama-statistics athi abantu abona kakhulu ilaba. Sengiphendule laba bathi yini ngashiwo kwezinye inhlanga why focus ama-statistics yilaba abona kakhulu. Asinalakho idubo namhlanje ngenxa yabantu abayibala lethu. Hayi ngeke madoda. Hayi ngeke madoda. Julius Malema ake ngize kuwena ndoda manje. Ngize kuwena ndoda. Kumnandi ke mawuboniswa yimina ngoba mina at least ngiya-understanda futhi angizi ngepolitiki. Julius Malema hayi ngeke ndoda. Julius Malema ngiyakwazi ukuthi uhlakaniphile mosi. Futhi ake ngiqale ngikuprotect nje before ngitshela iqiniso lakho. Lento ukuthi khona imali onikwe yona eyokuthi uvikele abantu bokufika ayikho amanga lawo. Ayikho imali onikwe yona ukuvikela abantu bokufika. Hayi lapho ayikho imali onikwe yona ukubavikela abantu bokufika. Wena Julius Malema wena ufuna ukuthandwa iAfrika yonke yonkana. Wile nhlobo ethi mayifuna imali igcina inikela ngabantu bakubo. Wile nhlobo enjalo bafu ukuthi wena unganikela ngomuntu wakini ngoba ufuna lokho onephupho lokuthi uyakufuna empilweni ugcina unikela. Wena unganikela futhi even nangengane sometimes oyizalayo ukuthi ake ngizwe ngengane unganikela bafu mawusufuna liyanto ungasacrifice into ezibalekile my brother. Bafethu njengoba silapha eMzansi asinaye enye country ekuthiwa singabalekela kuyona. Sithi siya kwamanye ama-countries sibuyiswa kule country le. Hayi Julius Malema ngikutshela iqiniso mina my brother. Tshela iqiniso. Yilokho kokuqala ekokuthi ufuna ukuthandwa kodwa manje ufuna ukuthandwa kambi ngokuthandwa ngongakwazi ukumela abantu bakini. Ukucrowdeka nje. Ucrowdeka nje akukho right. Lento ifana noma ko Christmas kufika ama visitor obungaba expectile. Fithi indli crowdile nje. Thola ama visitor lana kuyadliwa kuyaphuzwa kwenziwa yonke into ngesiphithi uzwe ngenhliziyo bengabe uyi breadwinner uthi kodwa bohamba nini. Ucrowdeka nje akufunde ukucrowdeka baba. Lento akufanele iziliwe yingane lezi zilwa yingane. Manje ngabe nina Malema lento niyakwazi ukuma ukuthi ngathi sebaningi abantu abazigebengu abangene ngokungemvumo amaphoyisa wenza umsebenzi wawo. Okufanele hoyi ingoba ufuna ukuthandwa mfethu. Okwesibili mina ngiyazi mina ngithi ispirituality sakho siyadonsa kulamazwe laba ngaphandle. Siyadonsa ama rituals wakho amanye wenzayo aya connecta nengaphandle nalamazwe ngaphandle. Uma nje ngingalibeka limi ngingama ngithi umuntu oyispiritual father sakho ukukulamazwa ngaphandle you respect leyonto iritual yakho. Mina ngifihli mina ngiyakwazi ukuthi strong lapho nje mfethu awoni live strong lapho futhi ngiyazi ukuthi ipower hamba nayo iyakwazi ukuphendula but akufanele usebenzise ipower yakho kakhulu ngenasidingo
makusathiwa peaceful march ngoba mina ngiyibutho mina osaziyo isintu noma isiZulu uzokwazi ukuhlukanisa phakathi kwezinsizwa namabutho. Insizwa ziyahlangana ihlukane goduke ziye emakubo siyophila inormal life emakubo. Ngesikhathi sokuhlangana kwazo iphinde ihlangane insizwa zenze ubunsizwa zisahlangene iphinde ihlukane. Insizwa ke lezo. Ubunsizwa buhle futhi bunzima ubunsizwa ngoba lapha ebunsizweni ila kusuke kufundwa khona kupracticewa khona kujinywa khona. Ujimela ukuthi should anything happen edinga impi nikwazi ukubuthwa niba amabutho okulwimpi. Thina ke singomakhanya sabuthwa lapha eMbumbulu kwakunebutho lapha kwaDlukhokhe la ngivela khona mina phela ngowaseMbumbulu eMadundube kwaDlukhokhe isigodi. Lapha kwaDlukhokhe la ngivela khona mina kwakunebutho lapha lakithi komakhanya elalikade liholwa uNgcobo uMapholobo uMashiya amahle engathi azoshumayela uSibaru Panya igama lakhe kwakuPanya wayehola ke ibutho lakithi lapha kwamakhanya insizwe yayinamandla kakhulu Sibaru Panya sayiqoka nje singomakhanya iyo yayihola ibutho lethu kwakunezimpi ke ngoba ibutho ngoba kunezimpi ibuthe lempi mhlamba asikusho lo ngoba nina senathamba kakhulu naze nathambisa yonke nje into kwaze kwabe ngathi ithambile yonke into kwaze kwabe ngathi peaceful ibutho elempi makusenziwa peaceful march lapho ngeke ulibone ibutho ngoba ibutho alihlangani nento ekuthiwa upeaceful ngoba ibutho lifika la sekuliwa khona lapha ya kwezama law enforcement ibutho ngalibiza ngamasosha. Ibutho angeke ibutho uthi alambe liyobopha ubani alambe liyobopha ubani aliyo investigate ubani. Ibutho al investigate alibophi ibutho liyalwa. Uyabo ibutho malikuthola nje uyakaka uyanyanyi ibutho ke lelo kwa law enforcement amasosha lawo. Mina ke ngingena masekuliwa mina leyo peaceful ibambeni insizwa ibambeni babhemu semva kwenu silinde impi. Thinta amabhubesi wathinta amabhubesi umlilo ovuthayo ovuthela izigaba sizonke sishaya umaqa ngathera sidlulele phambili silinde impi silinde izigaba sizonke ishi holose lo ishi thina silinde impi sibutho thina sibutho thina singena yabona esikhathini samanje ke akuliwa ngemkhonto manje ningacabanga ukuthi mangikhuluma ngempi ngikhuluma ngalento yokuphathi amahawu nemikhonto mangithi mina silinde impi ngichaza ukuthi thina sifuna la kudutshulwana khona uyabo thina sifuna la sofike sidubule sifake inhlamvu phela lento yokuthi peaceful march into eyinsizwa lezo ayihambi insizwa ziyokwenza peaceful march laphana kungaze kuze thina amabutho ngaze kuze thina kwanyakaza thina kuyanyiwa bohamba ngamabhokisi bebheke emakubo meke kwanyakaza thina ngoba siyibutho thina. Nina insizwa bafake nemabhasini peaceful nibahambise thina siyobafaka emabhokisini ngazona insizwa thina sidlulile emsizweni siyibutho. Insizwa ibafaka emabhasini peaceful thina sobafaka emabhokisini mase ngenelele thina siyibutho thina. So lapha eMbumbulu ke kwakunezimpi laphana kuze kukhandeka nje ibutho lakithi komakhanya lapha eLokhuzeni kwaDlukhokhe uSibaru Panya wayelihola ke lolo butho lalilwa kanye nebutho lalapha eMphusheni kokhuzwayo ya kwakhona insizwa laphana yayisiqhwaga lapha eMphusheni kwakuthiwa uSilwane yona ke leyo nsizwa leyo yayinebuthe lalinzima nayo eyayibhekene nathi nje usibona sidla inhlamvana nje sadla amahlanga kulelo butho lelo saliqotha saliqeda nyakho ngisho yedwa ophilayo kulo lelo butho lelo elalilwa nathi sihodla ukhokhe siwomakhanya saliqotha nya saliqeda finish and clear akhona yodwa insizwa esaphilayo kulelo butho lelo likasilwane elalikade libhekene nathi singomakhanya lapha eMbumbulu thina akusinekwa la nina kuyomela nwazi umlando weMbumbulu ukuthi singomakhanya eMbumbulu sidume ngani thina akusinekwa la iMbumbulu leya before ibe eyomakhanya kwakweyocele leya Mbumbulu kwakweyekacele iMbumbulu kwakweyekacele okuseshe nje useshe noma obani noma amakhehla amadala useshe mayelana nempi kacele nomakhanya bayokutshela impi kacele nomakhanya iMbumbulu thina sayidla ngempi njengoShaka wena wabona uShaka edla izizwe lapha oSuthu singomakhanya sadla iMbumbulu sidla kucele ngempi ingakho iMbumbulu eyomakhanya ngokuzimela phela thina sabelwanga singomakhanya mhlamba kuyomela sinihlukanisele ukuthi amakhosi akithi kwaZulu ahlukene kanjani nje ubona nje lapha eNdlunkulu thina singomakhanya siyigugu singaconsi phansi ingoba saziwa ngamandla ethu saziwa ngempi yethu asiconsi phansi thina emlandweni wasoSuthu ibutho lakaMakhanya liconsi phansi ngoba liyaziwa ngempi ngokuba strong thina sadla iMbumbulu siyidla kucele sayidla ngempi manje nina ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyadlala mina mangikhuluma ngomakhanya ukuthi singomakhanya azidlali thina ungalinga uhlohla impi uthi uyobhekana nomakhanya uthi uyolwa nomakhanya uyonya uyohuda ngeke kusinde ngisho yedwa kuleyo mpi yakho thina siyalwa thina siyashaya thina osibuza kokhuzwayo lapha emphusheni wakhona insizwa lapha nakhona A1 khona osilwane kukhona iziqhwaga lapha akusindanga ngisho yedwa ngoba ibutho lakomakhanya lalifikile qathatha kocele sabashaya ocele sabakhipha baphampatheka bayolahleka komlazi yabo bayolahleka komlazi bathi bacashe ngonyameni sabakhiphe ngonyameni lapha bayompampatheka komlazi koK koJ lapha mina ngikutshela ngomlando womakhanya eMbumbulu ukuthi zangena kanjani akudlalwa akusinekwa la so yiloko ke ngikushoyo nganza kwethu ukuthi lokho enikubonayo kuhle impela izinsizwa lezi enizibonayo aningaboni konke mina ngiyamangala iSouth Africa mayikhala kangaka isakhaliswa nje izinsizwa ophakela umthakathi kothiwani mase kusukuma ibutho ke sekusukume thina laba ngoba thina akusinekwa la yabo angazi impela ukuthi niyothini so njoba ningangibonike nje kumamashi ingoba amamashi aweyinsizwa akuwona wamabutho insizwa eshaya ama peaceful march ibutho alihlangani no peacefully we are not peaceful as ibutho we are the warriors of the Zulu we are the Zulu army njengebutho siZulu army yabo asiyona iZulu youth nje iZulu youth yiyo le egcwele zonke izitradi eyenza umsebenzi omuhle laphana elwayo elwela amalungelo ethu emashayo yiyo iZulu youth leyo thina we are more than a Zulu youth we are the Zulu army funa ukunitshela mina ukuthi lokho enikubonayo aningakaboni lutho manje ningakaliboni ibutho la khona